And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 69. Let me show you how you can add stroke outlines, for example here to this breakdancer. Chroma key wouldn't work to get rid of the background because there are just too many colors. So we have to use the auto removal. That's a pro feature. I've introduced that in the last video already. It sometimes does a very good job. In this case it looks fine. And you can already see there's a stroke option below, but let me give it an orange background first. Now I get back to auto removal, I check it, and then we have the stroke option appearing. Let me also check that and I open a drop down. And here once again there are a couple of pro features. It's always indicated by this diamond icon. And all of these strokes, they have different parameters to adjust. Here for example the dotted, we can change the color, the size and the spacing. For the offset, we can adjust horizontal and vertical positioning. So it depends on the stroke that you use, what parameters you can adjust. But when this auto removal was successful and it looks good, then you can be sure that the strokes are also good because it uses the same tracing. At least it looks like it does. So whenever you get a good removal, you can be sure that this stroke will also be fine. And it's very easy to add. One click and you've got your parameters to adjust below. Just make sure that the box here is checked and then it will be added. And this I can add a stroke outline in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.